All right, we're back in the shop again, and we are going to be fixing our fiberware knife, epoxying it back into the handle. Ceramic blade. Going to do it with some Gorilla 2-minute epoxy. 5 minutes it sets in, I should say. Got a Rockler silicone tray and a brush. I love these things. So you're just going to squeeze out, get equal parts. Put the top back on. You can hold on to the top. Mix up your silicone and your glue, I should say, your epoxy. It won't stick to the silicone tray. They're really nice to have. Probably mixed up too much, but hey, stuff's not that crazy expensive. Rather have more than not enough. The reason I like this is it's really thin, so I'm going to be able to stick this right down inside. And then I'm going to stick a little bit on the end of this blade. Then I'm going to stick this blade inside until I feel it sets pretty good. I'm going to use the other side just to take off that little bit of epoxy. Epoxy's not going to expand, so you'll be okay. And we should be good to go. I'm just going to set this down on top of my, I can just set it across the silicone. We should be good to go. That's all it takes to do epoxy. In about 5 minutes, this will be hard as a rock and we'll be good to go. Thanks! I went outside, did a little cleaning before having to go to work, and came back, and as you can see, this is solid. Doesn't come apart at all. So, fixed, ready to go. Awesome!